This is part 2. We're not gonna call it a day in the life because it might take longer than 1 day. So let's get into it. So on the first video, you saw that we needed a valve cover gasket for the Acura TL and the Chevy Cruze. The gaskets are here, so we're gonna go ahead and put them on, starting with this one. With the Chevy, I do need some silicone, so I'm gonna go up the street and go to AutoZone and buy this shit. So far we already went to the gym, we came back, we had a great workout. So now we got the mads. Now we gotta put in some work. We gotta go hard. Let's fucking get it. Now we're gonna keep hustling until we get that fucking Lambo, and we're not gonna stop. All right, so we did go and put the silicone on the corner of the valve cover gasket, because as you can see, the engine is like leaning a little bit. So there's more pressure here. It's more accessible to have oil leaks here, over here, and possibly in these two. So this is the new valve cover gasket. We're gonna go ahead and put it on, and this is before and this is after. All right, so we finished with the first valve cover gasket, and we already started the second one. It's the same process, literally same process, but a little bit more stuff. So that's how we're making money. We take something that have no value, we put a little bit of work to it, make it look presentable, and we're gonna have a buyer. We already have a buyer for this one, and we already have a buyer for that one. So now, after I'm done with this, I'm gonna clean the inside of the TL is already clean. This one definitely, it needs detailing. And after that, I just gotta flip the title. I gotta flip the title for this one. And I believe that one also. Yeah, so after that, we collect, and then that's it. So let's move on to the next step. Let's finish this up, and we're gonna start it afterward. So, all right, guys, so we good. No more fucking smoke, no more smoke. The TL is ready, and the Chevy is fucking ready. Somebody about to come look at this one right now as we speak. So it's running pretty good. No more leaks, no smoking. So it's looking pretty nice right now. So let's see what happens. Right, so we're in the next day. Right now I'm going to PA to pick up some, I gotta flip some titles. I got 2 titles I gotta flip. And then I gotta drive back the Audi S4. Somebody really interested in that car. Honestly, I wanted to keep that car, but I don't think it's worth the not knowing what's gonna happen, because these cars, they can get pretty expensive, and right now we in it to make the money, not to spend money. So there's another person that's interested in the TL. I have to flip the title today, and let's see what happened today. So today, even though it's raining outside right now, it's looking kind of shitty, we might actually end up selling 2 fucking cars, which is good. Honestly, the long-term goal is to sell 1 car a day. So if we can sell like 7 cars for the week, even 5 cars for the week, I'd be satisfied with that. But we need more volume. We need more volume, so that's why we need to buy more cars. We need to be on the lookout for these deals. And if you guys want to know how I'm doing this, help us get to 3,000 subs. How about that? 3,000 subs. And I'm gonna start showing you guys how I can make the same fucking money. So let's get into it. Right now we're going to PA. So guys, we just picked up the S4, and look at this thing. Super fucking clean. Look at that. We getting some gas right now. I got my boy in the cut. We're heading back to Jersey. Somebody gonna go come pick it up right now as we speak. So let's get into it. All right, so we sold the Acura TL. The TL is gone. The only thing we have left is the Toyota, and this Ford Focus we got like 2 days ago. That car is a pretty nice car. We already have people interested in it. All we gotta do is get it ready. We do have a flat tire in the back, so we gotta fix that. As far as check engine, there was no check engine light. As far as the SRT, we got to fix the front end on the SRT, and then we should be good after that. You know, after that we should be good, man. So this is it for today, man. As you can see, we're trying to get it. It's hard. It's not easy, but we're gonna get into it. You know the mindset that we have. So we gotta get more cars right now. Right now we don't have that much. The only car we have available for myself is this one, the Ford Focus. So we're gonna look on Copart and see what we can find. So see you guys on the next one. If you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe. That tells me that you enjoy the content that I'm putting out. So right now we about to hit the gym. So let's get into it, man. We about to work on the next video right now. So see you guys on the next one.